Hello everyone, good day. This is Ma'am Nerissa Beatrice and today I'm here at Perpetual Help National High School grounds and we're going to make a video of the Let a Million Flowers Bloom project. So check this out. Hello everyone, good day. This is Ma'am Nerissa Beatrice and today I'm going to orient you about the Back to School Let a Million Flowers Bloom project for school year 2021-2022 under the Department of Education Office of the Under Secretary of Administration, Sir Alain Pascua. So this is in accordance with Memo 00-0521-0171 dated May 24, 2021 for Regional Directors and BARMM Education Minister, Schools Division Superintendents, school heads, and all others concerned. Okay, so the Office of the Undersecretary of Administration, or the OUA, through the Bureau of Learner Support Services, Youth Formation Division, or the BLSS-YFD, will launch the Let a Million Flowers Bloom project for school year 2021-2022 to uplift the spirit of learners, parents, and teachers, as well as to show gratitude and appreciation to teachers for all the hard work they have showed amidst the COVID-19 pandemic to continue the delivery of quality education to learners. With today's high-tech and fast-paced lifestyle taking its toll on everyone's lives, experts advise exercise and other personal lifestyle changes to relieve stress. Nature provides us with a simple way to improve emotional health, especially flowers. The presence of flowers triggers happy emotions, heightens feelings of life satisfaction, and affects social behavior in a positive manner far beyond what is normally believed. Through this project, the BLSS-YFD encourages all schools located along the highways to plant flowering plants and let them bloom in time for the opening of classes for school year 2021-2022. So each school, through the leadership of the Youth for Environment in Schools Organization, or YESO teacher advisors, and or the School Inside a Garden or SIGA coordinators, shall conduct the following activities. 1. Designate a minimum of 10 square meters land area in front and or by the side of the school and must be visible to the public. If the school has no available land area, the school can use alternative recycled materials like plastic bottles and sacks for planting the flowers. 2. Plants and flowers or any flowering plants available within the area of the school. Philippine native plants are recommended such as kamuning, katmon, gumamela, etc. 3. The school shall plant the saplings 1 to 2 months or earlier in time for the flowers to bloom on the opening of classes. 4. The school may seek partnership from their respective local government units or LGUs, private sector, and even the parents or guardians of their learners for the said activity. 5. The expenses to be incurred shall be charged against the local funds or school MOOE in accordance with existing accounting and auditing rules and regulations. 6. The activity shall be performed in accordance with the local health protocols set in place in relation to the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 7, the YESO teacher advisor or SIGA coordinator are requested to document the whole duration of the project and post this on their official school Facebook page or group using the hashtags #DepEd Project Million Flowers and #DepEd Kabataan 2021. Photos should also be posted on the BLSS-YFD School in a Garden channel of the OUA School Photos Microsoft team. Okay, so that was the content of the Back to School Let a Million Flowers Bloom project by the Office of the Undersecretary of Administration, Sir Alain Del B. Pasqua. That is for immediate dissemination and compliance.
Okay, so ang inyo pong nakikita ngayon ay ang area ng grade 12. Ng grade 12. Ayan. So ito po ang before. So ito ang aayusin namin. Happy the landscape daw. Okay, so yung kaninang video ay yung sa harapan. Ngayon naman ang nakikita nyo ay ang likod ng area ng grade 12. Ayan. Libutin natin para makita natin ang difference ng during and after the cleaning of this area. Okay. So, ayan. And you can see now yung PNHS. So maraming linisan sa area ng Gatewell. Controllers! Kaway-kaway! Okay, so ito naman ang garden namin. Care of Ma'am Gina Katimba. Ayan, so, andyan si principal. After the videos, please subscribe and thank you for watching.